Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing and a quick review of iVolta ProKit Universal Smartphone Lens. On the box, you will find some social platform information used by the brand. Turning further, you will find some information on 0.45x wide angle lens and micro lens. They have also provided information about how to use both the lenses individually by showing this photo diagram. Now let us unbox it and see what's inside the box. They have provided a hard case to carry your lens with some branding on it. Opening up the zip, you will find some user manual which has lots of information on how to use this lens. If you are new to mobile lens, you can go through it. Now let us talk about the lens. You are getting a 0.45x wide angle lens with 15x micro lens attached to it. You are also getting a universal clip which feels good in hand. Attaching the lens is very easy. You first need to remove the cap and screw the lens clockwise, and your lens is ready to use. Yes, you are getting both side plastic caps to protect your lens. To use 0.45x wide angle lens, both the lens should be attached together. And if you want to use the 15x micro lens, you will have to detach the 0.45 wide angle lens from the macro lens. So your micro lens is ready to use. Now let us attach the wide angle lens again and see the results. Talking about the build quality, the lens is made up of aircraft grade aluminum and feels premium in hand. Now let us attach the wide angle lens first. So as you can see the difference, you are able to see the tripod, which was not visible first. Now let us use the 15x micro lens. To use the 15x micro lens, you will need to remove the wide angle lens. Let us attach the lens and see. I am capturing the footage from a distance of 4 cm approximately. Talking about the lens is really sharp and giving good details. I also found some coating applied on the lens. I think it must be to reduce some reflection. So now let me show you some more sample videos taken from both the lenses. This is without the lens and you can count the rod. There are total 7 numbers. Now let us attach the lens and see the difference. So now let us count the rods. And yes, you will get a total number of 11 rods. I did not found any black borders on the edges. Yes, little bit distortion on the edges. Otherwise the lens is doing a great job. Right now I did not found any chromatic aberration, but we'll have to check directly under the sunlight. Now let us see the micro lens. I will try to capture this leaf. I am capturing this at a distance of 4 cm approximately. As you can notice, it's capturing a lots of area and also producing a good blurry background. I will be making a separate video where I will be testing both the lenses directly under the sunlight to see whether it is producing any chromatic aberration. I got this lens at 1900 rupees, but on sale you can get up to 1600 rupees. The brand is new for me, but it has really impressed me a lot. If you have liked my video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.